women are juggling more than ever today between work and caregiving, mental load, and navigating a fragmented healthcare system that too often dismisses their concerns.
So our next guest says it's time to flip the script and has some tips for us today on how women can take back the power over their own health. We want to thank Dr. Sandra Scheinbaum for being here today. She is the co-founder of Functional Medicine Coaching Academy and joins us on Great Day. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. It's a pleasure to be here.
This is great to get some tips because I do feel like women are frustrated. Why are so many women feeling unheard when they're trying to navigate the traditional medical system?
9 out of 10 women feel unheard, dismissed by their doctor, or they're given a pill for every ill. That was me 40 years ago. I went to a doctor and I had one blood marker out of range. Said, well, I'm going to put you on some medication. Oh, and you may need to be on this for the rest of your life. Well, fast forward now to today, and I have taken control of my health. I've done that for many, many years. And it starts with a belief that you can take control of your health, that your genes are not your destiny, and that the decisions you make every single day for how you live your life really do matter. We're talking about things like what you're eating, and are you exercising or over-exercising? Are you prioritizing sleep? Do you have relationships that matter? And what are you doing about stress? Those are things we can take control over.
Yeah,
absolutely.
It's not a pill.
And it's important that we do. It's why it's so great that you're here to share this message and to remind us. Talk about the power of health coaching. Why is that so important?
We don't have to make those changes alone. It is hard to make lifestyle changes. That's what a coach does. A coach is your ally. They support you, they hold you accountable, and they help you understand health information, because it is very confusing. There is so much misinformation, and what might be right for me might not be right for you. Well, how do you decide that? Well, a health coach can help you figure that all out.
Yeah, I think people get overwhelmed though, because we see a lot of information out there. Any actionable tip that people could do today, or tips maybe, to get started and taking control of their physical and their mental well-being?
Well, it's important to understand that with all this information that is out there, it is personalized. We are all unique, and you can be your own detective. And it's getting easier and easier. We have wearables, so we can track our sleep with a ring. I have a ring. We can wear a CGM. That's a continuous glucose monitor. You don't have to be diabetic to wear one. You can track your blood glucose in real time. So now you know, oh, when I eat this, my blood sugar goes up. When I eat that, it's safe. It doesn't rise at all. So that is where you become empowered, because now you have this data. And you also can seek out lab testing, and a health coach can guide you to that. In other words, you don't have to wait for your doctor to order a test. So many things are now available to you. And you can also become empowered to say to a doctor, hey, for example, if you're monitoring your blood glucose, what about fasting insulin? That almost never gets measured, but that is a critical marker, and you can become empowered to speak to your doctor, and if they are not ordering it, then many of these are available for you to go get yourself.
Yeah, can take control.
Great. Absolutely, that's great advice. And the wearables, you're not kidding.
Yeah.
We now have really great technology that didn't exist before. You talk about a new health revolution and how millennials and Gen Z are kind of leading that charge. Why is that?
I think that they are seeing their parents, their grandparents have all of these chronic diseases. These are diseases that over 90% of them are said to be brought on by lifestyle. They do not want to be victim. And they are also very tech savvy, and they're becoming used to using these types of wearables to get this data. And there's also, it's very encouraging that alcohol is on the decline. They are drinking less. They're going to bed early. They are recognizing how great it feels to have energy, to wake up just with energy and excitement about the day.
Yeah, Dr. Sandy, you're inspiring. I know we have some exercise video of her. If you want to play it during the tag, so fit, and you do so many things. Thank you for being here and inspiring us today. You can learn more from Dr. Sandy. There she is. Look how much she can lift and how flexible she is. It's really inspiring. You can learn more from Dr. Sandy on her podcast, Health Coach Talk, and then get her book, Your Health Coach Will See You Now. It's on Amazon and wherever books are sold.